Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcake packaging. Creating beautiful packaging for your cupcakes is simpler than you might think, and it adds a professional touch to your baked goods. We'll start by gathering just a few basic supplies that you likely already have around your home or can easily purchase. This method is designed to be quick and efficient, allowing you to package your delicious treats with ease and style, ready for gifting or selling. Now, let's get to the core of our packaging. Take your chosen cardstock and measure it precisely. An 8-inch by 8-inch square works perfectly for a single cupcake. Next, you'll mark 1-inch lines from each edge, creating a grid. This step is crucial for ensuring your box folds correctly and securely. Carefully cut along these lines to form the base and the 4 side flaps of your cupcake holder. Precision here makes all the difference for a neat finish. With your cardstock cut, it's time to bring your packaging to life through folding. Begin by folding all the marked lines, ensuring each crease is sharp and defined. This gives your box structure and a professional appearance. Next, apply a small, thin line of adhesive, like craft glue or double-sided tape, to the side flaps. Carefully press these flaps together, holding them for a few seconds to ensure a strong bond. You'll see your cupcake box taking shape beautifully. Finally, let's make sure your cupcake stays perfectly in place and add some personal flair. Cut a separate piece of cardstock, about 4 inches by 4 inches, and create a 2-inch diameter hole in its center. This will be your cupcake holder insert. Secure this piece inside your assembled box. Now for the fun part, decorating. Add a colorful ribbon, a charming sticker, or a custom label to make your packaging truly unique. Your beautifully packaged cupcake is now ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.